Texas dad says a glitch in Find My iPhone app directs angry strangers to his home. That sucks. Yeah. I have had my own experience with weird Find My AirTag, this and that. Mm-hmm. And so I believe it. It can get wonky at times. A supposed glitch in the Found My iPhone app has been directing random strangers to the home of an unsuspecting Texas dad at all hours of the day, falsely accusing him of stealing their electronic device. He says he's been visited by close to a dozen irate people over the past few years, telling him that their missing phone had been pinged at his address. I had to wake up and go answer the door and explain to them that I didn't have their device, and people don't tend to believe you. This is brutal. And I'm not saying like, okay, it's obviously a headache to go and, have a stranger at your door. But it's also dangerous. If people think you stole their thing, they're not coming in there in a pleasant way.
Yeah, he mentions that because he has kids. And all hours of the night. I mean, this doesn't happen often. It's like once every couple of months. But that's even more than enough to be spooked living in your own home.
I lost my cell phone and I click Find My iPhone and it says it was at this address. That's what the guests keep saying.
Yeah.
Nearly a dozen strangers in this particular house. I mean, I presume maybe even his neighbors, they might knock on his door. But it's really weird. Some way in which these things interact with these towers and so on, it can kind of put it in the wrong place at times. Schuster, who is a software engineer, believes that some kind of mistake in Apple's app is to blame for all the confusion. He's worried it could put his life at risk. I agree. It could. Someone could come there ready to throw down.
And it's in Texas.
And just be, armed.
Yeah.
And just be like, give me my phone back. And he's like, I didn't take your phone. But they got to believe him at that moment.
How? How does he prove it?
Well, Apple needs to get this sorted out ASAP, man. That's a really brutal scenario. Mm-hmm. They got to get this sorted out. Oh, it looks like he reached out to them.
He tried.
Yeah.
But Apple support is not helping him.
Here's the statement via Apple support. Find My. Sadly, we can't make a case to get you to our other team to check into this. Find My is always an estimated location based on many factors. It does seem strange so many lost devices show your exact location. If you're not finding lost devices and bringing them home and powering them on to get your home Wi-Fi location, then provide the info. I guess they want more info from him. Anyway, hopefully they get it sorted out. That's an ugly scenario. No good.
Good luck.
No good.